All right, number 11 wants you to calculate the average daily balance to compute the finance charge on the credit card account for the month of August, which has 31 days. And it tells me that the starting balance from the previous month is $300. All right, let me use a light blue for that. Let's see. Where do I want to do this math? I guess I'll do it over here. So I'm starting at $300, right? That starts me at August 1st. So August 1st, my balance is $300. This is August 1. On August 8th, I made a payment of $91. Now, when you make payments, your balance goes down. Okay, so the $300 is going to go down by $91, and my new balance is going to be $209. Now that is on August 8th. Okay, so on August 1st, it's $300. On August 2nd, it's $300. On August 3rd, it's $300. Are you with me? But when you get to August 8th, it's now $209. So I'm going to go back to the blue one because it stays $300 from August 1st until August 7th. That is 7 days. So for 7 days, my balance is $300. So instead of adding 300 plus 300 plus 300 plus 300 plus 300 plus 300 plus 300, because remember, you're doing an average daily balance. And I talked about this in the PowerPoint example, where you're just repeating. You're adding the number 300 7 times. So just multiply 7 times 300 to figure out what that adds up to. And that adds up to 2,100. Okay. Now on August 8th, it's going to be something different. It's now 209. But I'm going to look at the next part here. And on August 13th, you made a charge, or these people made a charge of $150 for hiking boots. So give me a pink color for that. When you charge on your credit card, it's going to make the balance go up. It's going to increase it. So now I'm looking at $359, but that doesn't happen until August 13th. So going back to the green, on August 8th, my balance is 209. It's 209 on August 9th, on August 10th, on August 11th, and on August 12th. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 5 days. So for 5 days, I'm now getting a balance of 209. So instead of adding 209 plus 209 plus 209, just multiply. 5 times 209 is 1,045. So on August 13th, it changes to 359. Let's go purple now. Let's see. On August 17th, you made another charge. You charged $16 for gas. I'm going to need a purple color. Where's purple? That's purple. You made another charge, so that means it's going to increase by $16, and 359 plus 16 now brings you up to $375. But that doesn't happen until August 17th, right? So that means the pink goes from August 13th to August 16th, because on the 17th, your balance changes. So 13, 14, 15, 16, that's 4 days. Right? 13, 14, 15, 16. So for 4 days, you have a balance of $359. And that comes out to be $1,436. So back to the purple. Or actually, I need another color. Green, pink, purple. How about orange? Let's do some orange here. All right. On August 24th, you use your credit card, or this person uses a credit card one more time for charging, orange, $30 for a restaurant meal. Every time you make a charge, it's going to increase your balance. And so now this is going to go up to $405. But again, that doesn't happen until August 24th, which means back to the purple, from August 17th, the balance of $375 remains until the 23rd. Because on the 24th, it goes up again. So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 20. Whoops, I went too far. 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23. That's 7 days. Whoo! 7 days, right? There are 7 days where the balance is $375. So that ends up being $2,625. And now for the end of the month, let's see, where is it? Right here. August has 31 days in it. So this is going to go from August 24th to the 31st. So 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. I'm using my fingers here. That works out to be 8 days. 8 days at $405 a day gives you $3,240. And now I'm going to take these 5 numbers and add them up to get a total. That's like if I had a class with 31 students in it. I'd have to add all 31 grades, add them up, and divide by 31 to find out the class average. You know? So, but here you've got like 7 scores of 300, 5 that are 209, 4 that are 359. So you do the multiplication so you don't have to add 31 different numbers together. The multiplication and then the adding shortens the math. Okay, so I need the average daily balance, which is the 10,446 divided by the 31 days in August. And that comes out to be, where is it? And you're going to round it off to the nearest cent. So we've got $336.97. Now, once you calculate the average daily balance, that's the number that is actually going to be your new P, because your finance charge is the same thing as interest. It's principal times rate times time. But you're going to use the 336.97 times, where's my interest rate? Need another color. I haven't used one. How about dark blue? Here it is, 25%. So that's a 0.25. And then here's the other fun part. I didn't leave much room for this. You also have to multiply this times time. And right in here in this parentheses, there are 31 days out of 365 in a year. So take those 3 numbers and multiply them together, and that will be your finance charge. And to the nearest cent, it's $7.15. And that goes in that box right there. Whew. I wasn't sure I was going to get all in. I got about 30 seconds to spare. So just multiply. You have to do all this calculation to get the average daily balance, because the average daily balance is the principal. It's how much on average, what's your balance. And they're going to calculate the interest, the finance charge on that balance.